Vocabulary quiz sets 8.5. Some helpful hints. Skip around and do the easy ones first. Cross off answers as you use them. Listen to it being read out loud and start with the back page if you need to. Part 1 is matching. For the top half, we have forsake, compress, douse, irk, ingenious, inept. A. To plunge into a liquid, extinguish. B. To annoy, bother, irritate. C. Totally without skill, clumsy. D. To give up, leave, abandon. E. To press together, or a cold pad applied to an injury. F. Showing remarkable inventiveness, clever. Matching part 2. Apparel, recede, immense, famished, denounce, instantaneous. G. To blame openly, criticize. H. Suffering severely from lack of hunger. I. Done in an instant, quick, prompt. J. To go or move backward, retreat. K. Very large or great, vast. L. Clothing that serves as dress or decoration. Part 2, fill in the blank. Fill in the blanks using the word bank below. The word endings might need to be changed to fit the sentence. In our word bank, we have douse, forsake, instantaneous, immense, inept, compress, apparel, famished, ingenious, denounced, irks, and recedes. Number 1. After being stranded at sea for a few days, the man was blank. He ran out of food on the first night and hadn't been able to catch any fish. 2. The store sells women and children blank only, so we had to go somewhere else. 3. They had to blank the fire with buckets of water until the fire department arrived. 4. After the water from the hurricane blank, the town will need government help to recover. Many houses will most likely be damaged. 5. The mother held the blank on the child's wound. 6. He was blank at merging into the traffic. He almost always hits the car in front of him. 7. His response was blank and saved a life. If he had waited any longer, it would have been too late. 8. You must blank your bad habits and start learning good ones. 9. He made a blank amount of money in his business. 10. It blank me to wait for people who are late. 11. The man at the meeting blanked to the group that a few people have been caught stealing items. And 12. He invented a blank way to save energy.